Noida's property sector received a major jumpstart last week when about 50 real estate projects were back on the market after the Environment Ministry freed them from the eco-sensitive zone around the Okhla Bird Sanctuary. The centre's notification reducing the no construction zone from 10 kilometers to 1 kilometer seizes the National Green Tribunal's order prohibiting occupation clearance to real estate projects. Here are the latest developments. Thousands of you living on rent and paying installments for your booked flat in Noida will soon receive the key to your house. The Noida Authority has put its officers in action to process all the applications it has been receiving for completion certificates. The Noida Authority states it has 40 such requests from projects which are ready but need to be assessed for their construction quality and occupation worthiness before the crucial certificate can be issued.
हमने टीम बनाई हुई है और टीम बना के हमारा यह है कि इनका परीक्षण करके इनको देख करके कि इसमें कोई कमी तो नहीं है, कोई ड्यूज तो बाकी नहीं है और हमारा लक्ष्य है कि हफ्ते 10 रोज के भीतर ये सभी कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट जारी हो जाए जिससे कि जल्दी से जल्दी जो अलॉटीज हैं और सब अलॉटीज हैं वो अपना रजिस्ट्री करा के अपना मकान में आ सके.
The National Green Tribunal's ban on issuing completion certificates extended from established spots of Noida like Sector 18 to new developing sectors abutting the Noida Expressway like Sectors 74, 75, 76, 78. Sectors 90 plus, 100 plus and 120 plus also came in the no clearance zone. Developers whose projects were affected included names like Ajnara, Amrapali, Asotech, Gulshan Homes, JP's Wish Town, Lotus Greens, Mahagun's Marvella project, Supertech and the 3C company.
I think more than 60,000 units are ready for the possession, and apart from this around approximately 40,000 more are near to possession. But the developers also, a lot of money they will get at the time of possession. The authority, they are also going to receive a lot of money, and the UP government, especially in terms of the stamp duty, more than 2,000 crore rupees will be collected.
Closure of the 2-year-long Okhla Bird Sanctuary saga has developers planning a happy Diwali for their buyers. Not just on the Noida Expressway, but also in Noida Extension, many projects will be handed over to allottees over the next few months.
इस साल के अंदर हमारा जो मेन टारगेट है वो है डिलीवरी को लेके करीब 16,000 घरों की डिलीवरी इस साल के अंदर हम देने जा रहे हैं. दूसरा है कि अब दिवाली तक जो हम लोगों को मैक्सिमम, क्योंकि दिवाली एस्पीशियस टाइम होता है लोगों को घरों में शिफ्ट करने के लिए, तो वहां तक हम मैक्सिमम डिलीवरी देना चाहते हैं और कुछ ऐसी स्कीम भी लाएंगे कि जो लोगों के लिए एक फेस्टिवल स्कीम जो हम हर साल लाते हैं उसमें वो स्कीम भी हम इस साल भी फ्लोट करेंगे.
Resolution of this issue and Noida Extension's farmer disputes earlier this year mean greater transparency for home buyers. Why? Because now is the time when the performers will be clearly differentiated from the non-performing developers in the Noida region. With camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.